Hello and welcome to my portfolio update, so please like, subscribe and leave comments if you enjoy the content. Today, I am going to share with you the companies I've bought and sold over this last year. Generally, I either buy and hold for the long term for a period of 10 years and beyond, or hold for the medium term, which is up to 2 years, or short term, which is up to about 6 months. This depends on which strategy I am wanting to implement, based on the story of the company and the value I believe the company is worth. I purchased Fortinet earlier this year, and my average share price is $58.74. I plan to hold this company for the long term, however I am happy to buy more if it goes below the $55 mark. I would make a profit of 32% if I was to sell it right now. This company makes up about 12% of my total portfolio. The next stock I own is Alphabet, and my average share price is $103.63. I plan to hold this company for the long term, and I don't intend on selling this stock, as I think Google is an excellent company and has an incredible future of further growth. My return if I was to sell now is 61%. This makes up about 21% of my total portfolio. Last year, I bought JD.com and have added to my holding since. My average share price was $26.54. When JD hit about $37 per share, I sold. I saw 42% return. At the time, this made up about 11% of my total portfolio. A stock I bought back in January was Novo Nordisk, and I have recently purchased some more, so my average share price is $109.52. I plan to hold, and possibly add to this company at the right price, as I believe they're another incredible company, with an excellent management team. If I was to sell out of my position, my return would be 9%. This makes up about 11% of my total portfolio. A stock I own is Palantir, and my average share price is $21.17. But I plan to hold this stock for the long term. However, I do plan on buying more if they go below the $25 mark. If I was to sell out of my position today, I would make a 76% return. This makes up about 8% of my total portfolio. Another stock I own is PayPal, and my average share price is $57.94. I plan on holding this company until it hits my price target, or if I lose faith in the CEO in delivering on the potential growth. My price target is $100, and will produce a 73% return if I hit this target. At present, if I was to sell at today's price, I would make a gain of 34%. PayPal makes up about 10% of my total portfolio. I've also bought Starbucks this year, when the share price hit $72.24. My price target was $91, and I sold this stock back in August when it met this price. This gave me a return of 26%. A stock I own is Arista Networks, and my average share price is $324.37. I plan on holding this company for the long term. I don't intend on selling this stock, as I think Arista Networks is an excellent company and has an incredible future of further growth. At present, I would break even if I was to sell today. This makes up about 8% of my total portfolio. A stock I own is Arista Networks, and my average share price is $324.37. I plan on holding this company for the long term. I don't intend on selling this stock, as I think Arista Networks is an excellent company and has an incredible future of further growth. At present, I would receive a 19% return on my investment. This makes up about 8% of my total portfolio. A stock I've previously owned and bought again is Edwards Lifesciences. My average share price is $63.27. My intention is to hold this stock until it reaches my price target of about $90 to $95. The last time I bought and sold this company, I made a 21% gain. Edwards Lifesciences makes up about 9% of my total portfolio. A stock I own is Ulta Beauty. My average share price is $339.88. My intention is to hold this stock until it reaches my price target of about $550, but I could be tempted to hold this for the long term. If I was to sell now, I would make a 15% gain. These are the companies I currently own within my portfolio. As I said at the beginning, I have 3 categories for holding companies: the long term, medium term and short term. The companies I plan to hold for potentially 10 years are Google, Palantir, Novo Nordisk, Amazon, and Arista Network unless their stories change. I plan to hold PayPal and Edwards Lifesciences for up to 2 years, or possibly longer, if I see further recovery or greater potential growth down the line. And like Peter Lynch said, a success rate of around 60 to 70% is considered good when buying stocks, as not every stock is going to give you a home run. In summary, I like to hold a concentrated portfolio as I find it easier to manage and maintain. I tend to pick stocks based on the strategy I wish to employ or the opportunity they represent. If I am holding a company which has reached an acceptable return, I will consider selling it if I can see another stock which has the potential to make at least a 20% return. Whilst my strategy and process might not be what others like or agree with, it works for me, as I am very happy with the gains I've made. If you have enjoyed the video, it would be greatly appreciated if you would like and subscribe to help the channel grow.